Good evening, tutor. My name is Luis Corredor. Tonight I'm going to introduce you to how I celebrate my birthday. So it is a traditional in my family. In the morning, my wife wake up with a beautiful song, a traditional song that Happy Birthday. Um, and she gave me a delicious breakfast with gifts and delicious cake. And in the middle of this picture, and we can see I am watching a beautiful video. That video is remember all beautiful things in my relationship. And this is the breakfast that she gave me: fruits, pie, cake, and a cup of coffee, and pone, a traditional in Boyaca's pone. Um, and that's it. And the next one in the afternoon, I have and the pictures time. So the traditional picture. I cut the cake. I show the gift that my wife gave me. Um, a beautiful box, black box, a pajamas, and it is common in my family. I have to put all the gifts that she gave me, like pajama and the box as well. The afternoon, I have a delicious breakfast. My wife prepared a fish with mushroom sausage, with a delicious rice and salad. I don't know how they say plantain, and that's it. And at night, is usually we watch a beautiful movie with popcorn and coke, and that's it. That is how I celebrate my birthday. Thank you.